Top 2 Luxury Motorhome Review. Welcome to my channel. Today, you're about to step into something that redefines as not just luxury travel, but the entire meaning of mobile living. What you're about to see isn't a bus, isn't a van, definitely not your average RV. This is a $9 million double-floor, fully customized Mercedes-Benz motorhome that feels more like a flying hotel than a vehicle. From the outside, it looks like something straight out of the futures. Sleek aerodynamic design, 60-feet frame, fingerprint entry, and yes, even solar wings that extend out like aircraft panels. But it's when you walk inside that your mind really gets blown. You enter into a grand foyer. Yes, a foyer in an RV with Italian marble flooring, crystal ambient lighting, and a real staircase leading up to the second level. Not a ladder, a staircase. This is not a joke. On the first level, you've got a fully automated living area featuring AI-controlled lighting and climate zones. The walls are made of touch-sensitive smart glass that transitions from transparent to blackout with just one swipe. The couches adjust automatically to your posture, and there's a 75-inch retractable old screen that rises out of the floor like magic. Let's move into the kitchen, which honestly puts most apartment kitchens to shame. Imported German appliances, dual wine fridges, an induction cooktop with touch controls, and a self-cleaning oven. Yes, even the dishes are handled by the RV's built-in robotic dishwasher arm. Then, there's the master bedroom. King-size memory foam bed with massage and temperature control. 360 degrees panoramic windows with remote blackout curtains. And, oh, did I mention, the ceiling turns into a starlight simulation system? Basically, you're sleeping under the stars, even when you're parked underground. And if you thought that was impressive, let's take the stairs up to level 2. The second floor features a glass-walled rooftop lounge with a minibar, a cinema-grade projector setup, and even a retractable jacuzzi. That's right, a jacuzzi on the roof of an RV. You're literally soaking under the stars while streaming Netflix and AK. There's also a private office space with 5G satellite internet, a luxury spa bathroom with gold fixtures and a small walk-in closet because, of course, why not? Safety and mobility-wise, the RV runs on a hybrid electric engine system that offers over 800 miles of range. It parks itself, has 360 degrees drone surveillance, and even includes a fold-out garage for your electric scooter or Mercedes-Maybach tow vehicle. This isn't just an RVT, a moving smart home, luxury hotel, and private jet all-in-one. It's not made for everyone, but for the few who can afford it. This $9 million masterpiece offers something no mansion or jet ever could. Freedom with 5-star comfort. What if I told you the most luxurious TWO RV of 2026 isn't a Mercedes, isn't a Rolls-Royce, it's a Kenworth W900. And no, we're not talking about a typical sleeper cab with some added features. This beast is a complete transformation. A rolling 5-star resort built on the bones of one of the most iconic American trucks ever made. Stick around because this 18W wheeled masterpiece has a hidden supercar garage, a rooftop jacuzzi, and an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. Let's talk exterior first. From the outside, the W900's bold chrome grille and stretched body remain intact. But that's where the familiar ends. The chassis has been extended. The body has been wrapped in a deep satin black finish with gold accent lighting, and the roof fully retractable on command. Yes, a retractable roof that exposes a sunken jacuzzi surrounded by teak wood decking, leaded drink holders, and panoramic glass barriers that keep the wind out. But the view and this RV doesn't just look tough. It's armored, weatherproofed, and loaded with off-grid tech. Solar panels on the roof, satellite communication, self-leveling hydraulic legs. It's built to dominate both highways and remote mountainsides. Now the interior, ... The moment the automated steps slide out and the glass door opens, you're welcomed by marble floors, ambient ceiling lights, and walls finished with hand-stitched leather and carbon fiber accents. The lower floor features a full chef-grade kitchen with a touchscreen induction cooktop, smart oven, and voice-activated espresso machine. Across from it, a living room with a drop-down cinema screen, built-in recliners with massage functions, and a surround sound system that rivals most IMAX theaters. And yes, it's all voice-controlled. Lights, temperature, curtains, TV, everything responds to the onboard AI assistant named Atlas. Take the elevator, or yes, the actual hydraulic glass elevator to the upper floor, and you'll find yourself in a master suite with a king-size rotating bed that automatically points toward the sunrise. There's a walk-in closet. It's a marble bathroom with a rainfall shower and heated mirrors. But the crown jewel floor, two ceiling retractable glass walls that open onto the jacuzzi deck. Imagine soaking in a rooftop hot tub while parked on a cliff. Edge in Usaid. Unreal. Now for the part that truly blows minds. ... Beneath the RV is a hidden hydraulic lift system that stores and deploys a custom electric supercar styled like a Bugatti, but built specifically to match the Kenworth's look and branding. With the press of a button, the garage opens and the platform slides out, revealing the sleek supercar tucked neatly under the chassis. It charges using the RV's solar setup and can go 0 to 60 in under 3.2 seconds. So, what does this rolling mansion cost? Estimated value, $9.7 million. And that's before you add custom requests like built-in drones, bulletproof glass, or onboard security systems. This isn't just an RV8 statement, a lifestyle, and maybe even the future of ultra-luxury travel. Subscribe for more futuristic motorhome reviews and concept reveals.